How to turn off or disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 or 11. So Windows Defender is a security software, a default program provided by Microsoft which should be up and running all the time. But sometimes when you need to download a third-party software, then you might want to disable it, right? So in order to disable it, simply go to Settings, and in the search bar of the settings, search for Windows Security. And after you go to Windows Security Settings, click on it, and then go to Virus and Threat Protection. And after you're led to this page, click on Manage Settings inside Virus and Threat Protection Settings, and make sure that you turn off all of these options right here. After you turn off all of these options, then your Windows Defender will be temporarily disabled, but after you restart your PC, then it will be turned on again. Now, if you want to disable your Windows Defender permanently, then what you need to do is hold on the Windows key and press R. After you do that, inside Run right here in the text box, type regedit. Click on OK, and your registry editor will open up. Inside registry editor, click on Local Machine, go to Software, scroll down and go to Policies right here, go to Microsoft, go to Windows Defender. Now right click on the Windows Defender and click on New, and make sure to choose the option as dword 32-bit value. So after you do this, new folder will be created which you want to name as, so the name of the file, I'll just write it here in the notepad, right? So you're gonna name the created folder as Disable Anti-Spyware, like I have named it right here, no spaces, and some capital letters, capital A and capital S. And after you name the file, then make sure to click on the value right here, and make sure to set the value data as 1, and after that click on OK. And after that, your Windows Defender will be permanently disabled. Now if you don't want this to happen, if you don't want to disable your Windows Defender permanently, then what you want to do is just right click on it and click on delete, and after your folder will be deleted, then your Windows Defender will be up and running again. And after you have set the value as 1, then make sure that you restart your PC, which will maintain the changes that you had just created. So that's it. That's how you disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 or 11. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.